My name is Maddy Pierce. I'm a weekend day crew snowmaker at Copper Mountain. I like to make snow because it's exciting. You get to see the ground be completely brown, and then all of a sudden you're making winter happen when winter hasn't happened anywhere. Lots of hard work, but very, very rewarding. So we got a couple different types of guns here, all which we can start making snow with at about 27, 28 degree wet bulb. Wet bulb is kind of your relative humidity with the ambient air temperature. When we make snow, we generally try not to make them in piles. We try to broadcast it so that it makes less work for the snowcats because it's more efficient. But we'll get pretty monstrous piles, as you can see around here, before cats come in and start pushing on them. And they'll get the snow anywhere from a foot deep to 4 feet deep to making large line jumps. So we do all sorts of shapes and sizes of snowmaking. We start blowing on the speed center first thing. That's kind of one of our first priorities. We've got automated guns from top to bottom. In that first section, we go from the very top all the way to A-lift, and that takes quite a while, a couple weeks, because that snow, they want it really deep. And then we work on that section all the way down to East Village, and that takes another couple weeks. Base and man-made's definitely better for racing. Racers like that hard, solid, bulletproof, icy snow because their edges don't deteriorate it quite as quickly, and it's just more of a firm surface that they can lock into. So we'll make the snow and we make it super, super dry, like almost natural snow dry, and then they'll come through and they'll water it with snowmaking hoses after we made it. So we've got the downhill, the speed venue there, which is on Rosie's and Andy's. And that's where the big guy racers come in, the Team USA, Italy and France and all those different teams. And we make that snow to their spec. And then when we make snow on Copperopolis and Ptarmigan, that's kind of more for the younger kid groups that come in, the Team Summit kids and all sorts of other local ski groups. I'm very proud that we're the first people having people racing in the country and in Colorado. It's especially cool when you start getting Michaela Schifrin in here, and like a couple years ago when we had Julia Mancuso and Lindsey Vonn racing. It made me really proud to know that we're the people making the snow for them and making it happen. It's definitely a different bird working in the elements. You fight with a lot of stuff. And the cold's not bad, it's the wind. Sometimes you'll be up on the summit and you're trying to adjust a gun, and no matter which way you put it, it's blowing back on itself and then in turn you as you're moving it, and it's kind of miserable. Then you do something like that and you look over and you get the other part of being in the elements. You see the sun rising and the alpenglow is breathtaking. It's gorgeous to be up there, and that's kind of the thing you have to remember when the weather's not the best in the world. As well as getting ready for all the racing venues, we're getting ready for the public too. The plan is to try and make as much snow and get as much open as we can before that November 30th, and we're on track to do so. We're filling those last couple gaps. Can't wait to move guns to different locations. I mean, everybody's going to be more spread out as opposed to just being on Eagle. We can't wait to see everybody here skiing and riding on November 30th.